We are pleased to have you as an AT&T customer using ADI for your internet access. On occasion, you may want to check the actual upload and download speeds you are getting on your ADI service. This video will guide you through how to do that. Testing the speed of your ADI service is easily done by connecting your Ethernet-attached PC to a public Internet speed test website which sends TCP traffic over your ADI circuit. The end-to-end TCP throughput is measured each way between the test site and your computer. This test, if executed while there is no other contending traffic on your ADI circuit, can verify that your service is providing the speed you requested. Note that about 5% of the bandwidth is typically lost due to protocol overhead. AT&T does not guarantee the results of an internet speed test because the test often traverses network elements not controlled by AT&T, including the test PC itself, which is often the bottleneck. But we make an effort to advise you if and when you open a ticket through the AT&T Helpdesk. Let's walk through how you would run a speed test. To get ready, make sure that no other users, apps, servers, or background processes are putting any traffic on the internet access circuit you are testing. In the Windows Ethernet adapter settings, configure receiver buffers to a high value, at least 1024. Connect the test PC from a PCIe network interface card or NIC directly to the local router or switch via an Ethernet cable. From an Ethernet connected PC, browse to a public internet speed test site. Don't use a Wi-Fi adapter, cellular, or pre-3.0 USB dongle. Next, reboot the PC just prior to testing and close out any open windows and apps on the PC other than the one web browser window being used for the test. Verify the PC's results from the command prompt inputting netsh int tcp show global. Now, verify that receive side scaling is enabled and receive window auto-tuning is normal. And finally, make sure the PC is running on full power and not on battery. From the test site shown here, click on the Start button. Within a few seconds, the site will give you the current upload and download speeds for the circuit you are testing. If you don't get the results you're expecting, it may be due to web browser overhead. You can try running the test outside your browser by downloading and installing the native Ookla desktop app at the website shown here. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to the AT&T team with any questions you may have about performing a speed test on your ADI service. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.